Here's some cars that didn't make it. There's a new Camaro. Oh no, I'm running into some traffic. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Is it an accident? Are we rubbernecking? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Hey, bunch of... And jeez. Let's take a truck jackknife. Hey, bunch of bullshit. I'll try to scoot by here. Hey, let me try to scoot by. There we go. Because I'm special. Yeah, that's right. I'm specialer than you. My goodness. What do we got? What do we got? Am I first on the scene? Man, jeez. Man, jeez. Can I squeeze? Should I squeeze between these two trucks? Yeah. Yeah, I think I will. I think I will. Okay. Oh, God. Don't get mad at me. Don't do it. Don't get mad at me. Yeah, you just keep spinning, and I'll go around you here. Don't worry about it. Okay, bye-bye. Wow, that was a mess. Was that rude of me? Bye-bye, everybody with no snow tires.